Okay. Ano na?
Over here.
Ito banda oh.
Just come over here. Let them stay there and you come over here. Down here. You girls stay over there. Stay over there. Feed them
So bright.
Oh, look right through there. Come on. Girls, move over more here. Move back where you were. Here. That's better, huh?
Ah, it's...
Oh my God.
I can't see now.
Look at the water just splashing up like crazy.
No more.
Something got in here and ate that.
It's right here. Ooh.
One time.
Oh, that bread's still here. They're all over in there though. They're over on this side now. It's crazy.
Ah,
They're over-
they didn't eat. Eh.
They'll come. They were on this side. See them going? There they are. And they're bigger fish, Chris, I'm sure.
There, I see. They didn't see the bread.
That's it.
The
I
bread.
think it's hotter on that side. There you go. There they go. There they go.
Look like piranha.
You can't see the fish. It just disappears.
Zero. They're eating now.
Long.
Boom, disappear.
Gone.
Isn't that crazy?
Building. Ano isa? Resort. Yung iba.
Look, I can see now. I see now.